Essentially, my project is sort of like a Tamagotchi game in the sense that it creates a virtual pet in which the user can interact with and take care of through input commands. So when you actually start the program or start the game, it will say, "Congratulations, you have adopted your very own Tamagotchi pet. What will you name your pet?" You can name it anything you want. I want to name it Reggie. Nice choice, that's a really cool name. Thank you. Then it will give you the different attribute levels that your pet has, and initially they all start at 100 but do decrease over time, like as the program keeps running through the loop. So it says, "These different levels represent the state of your pet. As you play, you will notice that these levels will decrease and increase based on the interaction choices you make. So why don't you try to interact with your pet?" So you can either feed your pet, teach your pet a word, say hi to your pet, play with your pet, see what your pet's mood is, or you can just quit the game. So first thing I want to do is teach my pet a word. So I type in teach, and it says, "What word would you like to teach your pet?" I'm going to teach it howdy. So now that word is now stored in a list somewhere, and if I say hi to it, it has a chance to say that word back to me. So now, as you can see, the hunger levels went down and the happiness levels went down a little bit. So it says, "What would you like to do next?" Well, I'm going to say hi to it and see if it says my word. Now it says MERP, which is the default word I put in the list. I don't know where it came from. But now, as you can see, the boredom level is still at 100, which is, perfect. And the hunger level is now dropping actually pretty far, so we're going to actually feed my pet. So now his boredom level went down a little bit now, but his hunger level went up a lot and his happiness level stayed the same. So basically you can just keep going through this loop and just keep interacting with your pet over and over again until either one of three things happen. You can either kill your pet of boredom or hunger. It can actually run away because it's so unhappy, like its happiness level drops to 0. Or you can just quit the game. So if I wanted to quit the game right now, I can just type in quit, hit enter, and it says, "Thanks for playing, I hope you have fun." So that is essentially how you play my game. You can just keep interacting with your pet over and over again until the end of time, or until it dies or runs away, or whenever you get bored you can just quit. So yeah, let's move on. Alright, now that we're back to my team of J. Coles here, I'd like to talk about what I learned from this project. So the one thing that I think I learned from doing this project is that writing code can be pretty intimidating sometimes. Like, even if you have your idea, whenever you go to write the code, you're just staring at this blank screen that has infinite possibilities and you just don't know where to start. So like, to overcome this, you just kind of have to start writing somewhere. Start writing the code at some point in the project. And then as you write more code, you can realize, hey, this actually goes with this, or this connects to that. And that's pretty much how I did my code. I just started somewhere, and then as I read, I was like, oh yeah, I can do this too, and this, and so on and so on. So that is basically the end of my presentation of my project. I hope you all enjoyed and hope you all have a great day.